All right, players. So today we got a very quick tutorial on the best settings to export videos for YouTube in Adobe Premiere. So I have a project here open. It's a little solo I did for my friend Marquise Hardy. Awesome track. It's going to be coming out soon. So we got just a video track, audio track, and then I have an adjustment layer here with my color correction and all that fun stuff. So let's take a quick look and listen to this video, okay? All right, super simple, right? Just a video. So how do we go about exporting it with the best settings and the most efficient way for YouTube? So here's what we're going to do. We're going to select our entire project, okay? It's probably a shortcut for that, but I'm a noob. We're going to go to File, and then we're going to go to Export, okay? And we're going to go to Media. Control-M on Windows. I'm assuming it would be Command-M on a Mac. But I don't know why you would be using Premiere if you're on a Mac. So let's go. We're going to export media. All right. And here in our export settings, we're going to go to Format H.264, okay? This is the preferred format for YouTube. Then after that, we're going to go to Preset. I personally upload everything in Full HD resolution, 1080. I don't film in 4K, it's just too heavy, and plus everyone's just watching stuff on their phones nowadays, so to me it's kind of pointless. So but you can always upscale it to 4K if you wanted to and just use that preset. But I'll use YouTube 1080. All right, I'll make sure to name it and save it wherever I want. In this case, I'm gonna save it to the desktop, and I'm just gonna name it Louis Diddles. All right, save, cool. And then here in our video settings, we want to make sure that, you know, we're still locked in here with the format, 1920 by 1080. If we keep going down, we want to keep this aspect ratio to square pixel. We'll just don't even touch that. We want to click here, render at maximum depth, okay? Then in encoding settings, we're going to leave that how it is. Then in this master and display color volume, we're just not going to touch any of that. Content light levels, none of that. Here in bitrate settings, we're going to hit VBR2 pass. And if you have a very, very heavy video, I'll tend to move my target bitrate down to 12. And you can see how my estimated file size down here, right on top of Q, will go down. So now it's down to what? I can't even see. I'm blind! 58, whatever it says there. You guys probably can see it better than I can. But for this case, I'm just going to leave it at 16, okay? Anything under 12, I start noticing a little bit of difference in quality, so I wouldn't go under that. So 16, okay, everything's cool. If you're doing VR, just click that the video is VR. But here we're going to click on Use Maximum Render Quality, okay? Then in audio, I like to keep it to AAC. I want to keep sample rate at 48K. And then my bit rate, I want to use the maximum 320 because we want some good quality audio, right, people? So that's it. And then we're just going to click export, and you're in the ballpark. And now you just got to wait until it renders. Depending on your computer, this will render faster or slower. All right. So that's it, guys. Those are the best settings, best export settings for Premiere Pro for YouTube content. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can get all those cool notifications when I upload a new video. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.